Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2024 Mitsubishi Triton, stock number 7175. It's ran from a tyre of 2023 to the current shape. It has a 4N16 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 4N16 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 18-inch thick automatic tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch thick automatic tyre, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch thick automatic tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right front 18-inch thick automatic tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, front courtesy light sunglass holder, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,